This is the Commodore News Update.
I'm Quante Bristow, and this is your Commodore News Update for Thursday, January 17. On Tuesday, the basketball team got back on the winning track with a 63-40 win over Wilson. The JVs will pick up the win at Wilson. The girls weren't so lucky, losing to the Presidents. On Wednesday, the Maury wrestling team scored a win over Churchland but lost to the Titans. The swimming team also won over Lake Teller and Norview, but scores were not available. Now here's Marche Bird on what's happening for the schedule for today and tomorrow.
Thanks, Quante. There are no events for today, but tomorrow the basketball teams travel to Norcom to compete against the Greyhounds. JV boys play at 4, followed by the varsity girls starting at 5:30 and boys at 7. Be sure to support your Maury Commodores. Back to you, Quante.
Thanks, Marche. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Finally, cap and gown pictures will be taken on February 6th from 12 to 3 p.m. Sign up is at Maury homepage. That's your update for the Thursday, January 17th. I'm Quante Bristow, and have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.